everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily turn your photo into a cute pop doll using an app called Dreamface. And the best part, it's super easy and completely free with their weekly credits. So let's get started. First, if you don't already have Dreamface, just go to the Play Store and then download it and then just install it. And once installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan that gives you weekly credits, which are enough to generate a few fun images or videos every day. Next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And from here, just tap on AI filter. This is where all the magic happens, with tons of creative styles you can try out. Now just scroll down until you find the toy doll sections. And then inside this category, select the pop doll, just tap on it. This filter is designed to turn your picture into a cute collectible style doll, just like those you see on shelf. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can choose a selfie or any portrait shot. For best result, make sure your face is clear and valid. And once you selected your photo, Dreamface will automatically start applying the pop doll effect. And once you're done, select the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, as you can see, Dreamface already transformed your photo into a pop doll like this. And okay, that's it. In just a few simple steps, you have transformed your photo into a adorable pop doll using Dreamface. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.